day, everyone. Learn how to log in to Chase Bank from any phone. So open your browser. I'll use Chrome. And in the search bar, type Chase Bank, Chase space bank, and hit enter. You will find https colon / www.chase.com. Please make sure that you only visit the site. Now, once you open that, you will find a lot of options, and at the top right corner you will have the sign in option, and we just need to click on that, and it will think for a while, and very soon it will give you the username and password. You just need to enter it, and by any chance if you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this forgot username or password, and you can also sign up for the Chase Bank if you haven't done it. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.